Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever sent a message and then realized you made a super awkward typing mistake? Like, instead of saying, "let's meet at 5, you wrote, "let's meet at 5. Now your friend's confused. Should they bring snacks or show up with a steak? That's why editing matters. And just like in texts, your website needs edits too. One small mistake in a file, like a missing slash, a wrong word, or an outdated line of code, and your entire web page can go haywire. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard or use fancy software. Today I'll show you how to edit files directly using the cPanel File Manager. Simple, safe, and beginner-friendly. And hey, if you're just getting started and need a good hosting partner that actually makes cPanel easy to use, I personally recommend YouStable. They're budget-friendly, fast, and honestly, their support team feels more like friends than customer service. So let's jump in and fix those little website typing mistakes before they turn into big headaches. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of file directories. Now go to the directory where your file is saved. For example, if it is inside public_HTML, click public_HTML. Now go to the file you want to edit. Right-click on it and choose the edit option. It is an HTML file, therefore click Edit HTML. Here you can change the character encoding as per your language requirement and then click Edit. The HTML file is open now. Make the changes you want and click the Save button. That's it. We have successfully edited the HTML file. Thank you for watching,